This 70 square meters Minecraft-inspired home features a fun, pixel-style design with earthy tones and blocky textures, thoughtfully built to comfortably fit a family of 3. A fully functional and cozy living room that blends Minecraft-inspired textures with real-world furnishings for a playful yet practical family space. A small yet complete kitchen dining space where Minecraft aesthetics meet real-life function for everyday family living. This cozy 3 by 3 meters Minecraft-themed master bedroom blends restful comfort with pixel-inspired charm, featuring a stylish sitting nook. A compact 2.5 by 2.5 meters Minecraft-themed child's bedroom, thoughtfully designed to spark creativity. A 2 by 2 meters Minecraft-inspired bathroom that combines playful geometric aesthetics with space-efficient functionality. A character-filled 2 meters by 1.5 meters Minecraft-inspired hall and stairwell that connects the home's upper level to the gaming basement with playful function and structure. A 20 square meters Minecraft-themed basement transformed into a fully functional, family-friendly gaming den designed for shared adventures and cozy co-op sessions. A space-saving 2 meters by 2 meters Minecraft-themed garage laundry nook designed for real-life use, combining utility with style while leaving room to park a compact car. If this Minecraft home blew your blocks off, don't forget to subscribe for more pixel-perfect builds.